You are correct. This came out of an old house. I don't know where. The gentleman that bought the drop top Impala, he had got this somewhere, and it was one piece, and he had it laying outside this winter, and he hit it with the snowplow and he broke it. And he was so pissed at himself that he never did nothing with it, and he gave it to me for free. Instead of buying these for $2.58 a piece, I got 10 of them for $13. The more I bought, the better price I got. And there was a gentleman that corrected me, and it was my bust. He was 100% right. I can't remember his name, but I was wrong. It was the total weight, not the price. My bust. It's pretty cold out here. They said on the radio, it's in Muskegon, it's typically right now 75 degrees average every summer. Well, it's 53 degrees, and that's the high. So the low would be, yeah, you know, this thing don't function like it's always supposed to. I guess that would, 52 would be the low. It's 502. I haven't been out here that, well, I've been out here for 4 hours maybe. I know there's some people that say I should put a X right here, and I know that's a very good idea. It is. It's hard to, I don't know how much these things weigh, but they're not light. And for me to be able to hold them up there and cut them on an angle, and anyway, I show you how I do it. I don't advise it, but it's the only way I have to do it. I could go ask my brother, but he's in the house and I don't like to inconvenience anybody. So I just, come on now. I just make things happen by myself. I don't know how well this is going to work. Really? Ain't working very good. Okay. Sun's starting to peek out a little bit. Great for that. Come on. Okay. Let's start. That C-clamp caught it. Now hopefully it's the right. Hopefully it's 17 foot 8 inches, I think. Always gotta go up there and saws all a little piece off. I hope not. Anyway, push the fuck through. Put your goddamn seatbelts on, get something to drink, and get some popcorn too. Cause it got a little fucking ran. I'm so tired of this bullshit. You see this brand? It's not just this brand, it's every fucking brand that's out there. This is what they do. Ooh, not 40, but you get 45 big motherfucking rolls. I'm so fucking happy I can do shit. Okay, here's my fucking point. Been buying this from Sam's Club forever and a day. I mean like 15 goddamn years, because I don't want to run out of toilet paper when I'm wiping my ass. Can I get an amen? Okay, here's my point. This is the last time we bought this shit, okay? This is a new time, okay? There you go. What? How tall? What is it, fucking for midgets or something? Come on now. Now here's the bullshit. Here, you got 4 inches. Focus. 4 inches by 4 inches, okay. We got 4.5 by 4 inches. So we cut 1 inch off every other roll. But did you forget? Fuck it, we didn't just get 40, we got 45 big rolls equal 128. You know what? You lying motherfucking convict, cocksucker, big business dogs need to get chewed the fuck up by the little puppies. Getting tired of the bullshit. Can I get an amen? Amen, Chew. I don't care if anybody else has got anything to say about it. I hope you enjoyed this. Have a good evening.